Look at my lips. It looks like I just ate some fried chicken. Why the heck is my nose running this much? Oh my gosh. Your mind is just like... Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me review video with Frankie Rose Cosmetics. They sent me so much of their items and I wanted to share them all with you because I love them so much. So if you're interested in knowing a little more about Frankie Rose Cosmetics, please keep on watching. Also, if you're not yet part of the family yet, you already know what to go do. Please go subscribe and put the post notifications on, which is the bell button, so you know whenever I upload. And let's get started. So I'm going to start off with my brows first, just to get that out of the way. I always like doing my eyebrows first before I move on to my face. This one is the Frankie Rose Cosmetics eyebrow pencil, and this one is in the shade light brown. This one is really similar to most brow pencils that I use. I really like the angled tip. I feel like it's just so easy. I personally don't really like these skinny brow pencils. Like the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Like, I don't really like these skinny ones like that because I like my eyebrows really thick. So I feel like it's just way faster with a thicker tip. I do love the formula though. I love the pigmentation. I love how buttery and smooth it goes on. It just looks so good. I know they're not concealed right now, so they look a little boxy, but I think they look so good, and it honestly takes me like not even 5 minutes to do my brows with this. I really like this one. This is definitely my new go-to. So to conceal my eyebrows, I'm going in with the Frankie Rose Cosmetics concealer. This one is in the shade Chai. So they actually sent me 2 different concealers, and I like to use the darker one, Chai, for my eyebrows and just spots on my face, and the lighter one, which is in the shade Fresh, for my under eye. I like this one because it is the shade of my real skin tone. This concealer also doesn't smell like anything, which is what I really love. I did want to point out that all of their products are hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic, which basically means that they don't block out any of your pores, and they're really good for all skin types. I have normal to oily skin. Sometimes I get dry, but that's usually only in the winter time when like the weather, you know, acts up. But yeah, I just wanted to point that out because I think that's really, really important. Especially if you have really sensitive skin. Oh my gosh, my brows look so freaking good. I just need to put gel on them. I'm just going in with this random mascara, and I'm just gonna use that to set my brows like that. Oh my gosh, they look so freaking good. I would usually move on to my eyes now. I usually like to do my eyes before my face, but in this case, I'm going to do my face first because the eye look that I'm going to do today is going to just be really simple. To start off on my face, I'm going to take my Frankie Rose Cosmetics Prime Addiction Face Primer. This one retails for $42, and it kind of just looks like a gel consistency. I tried this out yesterday when I went out of town. It really did keep my makeup so nice. What I really love about it as well is it doesn't smell like anything. It does have that silicone base kind of feel to the primer, but it's not like a greasy primer. It's a very soft, silky, smooth primer. It's such a good primer for a soft base, and when you're using this, you do not need a lot of it. A little of it goes a really long way, which is what I love because you get so much. So now I'm going to go into foundation, and they actually sent me 2 different ones. This one is in the shade Bear, which is the one I used yesterday, and this one is in the shade Olive. So both of them I feel like are spot on and would look amazing on me. They almost look the same. I think Olive is just a little more tan, so I went with Bear yesterday and it looked perfect. I feel like if I wore Olive, that would also look perfect, but I'm going in with Bear today. This foundation retails for $36. I really like the coverage. When I was using it yesterday, it was like the perfect coverage. It's not too full, but it's so buildable. This is a semi-matte foundation and it is medium to full coverage. Personally, I don't really like full coverage because I just don't want my face to look very cakey. First of all, I just wanted to talk about the color match. I think the color looks so freaking good, like compared to my neck and compared to the other side of my face. The coverage, as you can tell, is just so good, and that was only 3 strikes across the face. And this foundation is water-based and it is oil-free, which is great, especially for my oil people like me. I'm not really a matte person, but I actually really like this one. I feel like it looks really good on my skin. They did really good with the color match. I think the color looks so good. Okay, so the foundation is on, and now I'm going to go in with my Frankie Rose Cosmetics concealer, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes and my chin, a little on my upper lip area, oh, and my nose and my forehead. And then I'm going in with this concealer brush. I get so many questions about it. I got this on a set from Amazon. I will try and find it on Amazon and link it down below for you all. I feel like beauty blenders just absorb so much product. I think beauty blenders like work amazing, just not on my skin, and I feel like they just waste so much product. I don't know. I do love beauty blenders though, and I still will use them. Excuse my cat, he is so rude. I find that when I use this brush, I get such better and brighter coverage, and it just looks so much better than a beauty blender. My face looks so freaking flawless. Oh my gosh, I just love this combination of foundation and concealer. I think it looks so good, and I did not even need a lot to make my base look freaking bomb. I'm going to go in with my Frankie Rose Cosmetics Pro Contour Palette. I'm so excited that they sent me this because I've been looking for a new contour palette, and these shades are beautiful. I tried this yesterday and I really love the powders. So I'm going in with this yellow banana kind of shade. This shade is called Mellow Yellow, and I'm just going to pat that underneath my eyes and on my chin, basically anywhere that I concealed on my face. And then I'm going to go in with a bigger powder brush for the rest of my face, and I'm going to go in with this middle shade, and it's called Doll Face, and I'm just going to pat that into my skin. I'm going to go in with the shade Heated. It just looks like this, and I'm going to contour my nose. Okay, so what has been a trick to getting a good nose contour? It's actually so funny because it's not even like a trick or technique. So I go on my Instagram app and I just open up an Instagram filter that has a really strong nose contour. I know it sounds really stupid, but then I look into the camera and I just follow the freaking guideline, guys. Like, it's there for a reason. So that's what I've been doing, and like, I'm doing it right now, and it honestly just works like a freaking charm. I know I look a little crazy right now, so I'm gonna take some Airspun powder and I'm just going to clean up my contour, and now I'm just gonna dust that off. So now that the contour is done, I'm going to go in with these two shades, and I'm just going to use that to contour my cheekbones. I feel like it's always really hard for me to find a contour palette that actually looks good on my skin, because I have the Kat Von D one, and that one is so ashy on me. Like, it just looks very gray and it just makes my skin look really dirty. But I really appreciate how this one like fits my olive skin tone. I just think it complements my skin tone really well and just blends everything very seamlessly and looks really good. So I've been watching Ginny and Georgia, or is it Georgia and Ginny? Yeah, I think it's Georgia and Ginny on Netflix, and honestly, not gonna lie, dumbest show ever, but I keep watching it for Hunter because Hunter is just the freaking cutest. He's the cutest ever. He's like the dream boyfriend. Did you guys know that he's 25 years old? So I was looking up all of their ages, and I was like, okay, so y'all are pretending to be sophomores in a Netflix TV show, but you're like 25 and up, because what's the main character? Ginny, she's like 24, 25, and she plays like a 16-year-old. I seriously need to put something on my lips. This is looking nasty. But yeah, I feel like I've literally watched everything on Netflix. I'm almost done with The Sinner. I'm on season 3, but season 3 isn't really sticking out to me. Like, it doesn't really, what's that word? Like, entertain me, I guess, as much as season 1 and 2 did. Season 1 was crazy. That was some weird shit. Like, to think that people actually do that is just fucking weird. But anyways, I also got done with Behind Her Eyes. Oh my gosh, trippy ass show, guys. You really need to watch it. Okay, so it's fucking weird at first. It gives off some like I don't know if you know the term, but it gives off some swinger vibes. Like, I literally thought it was gonna be about a couple who just fucking has an orgy. And yeah, and I was like, why the fuck am I watching this? But then, you know how some Netflix shows have like the potential to just get good? Like, people always say, oh, like the beginning is fucking trash, but like once you keep watching it, you will understand why it's so good. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna give this a go because there's only one season. So I was like, what is there to lose, really? I'm home all the time, y'all. I got time. I got nothing but time. So I watched it, and oh my god, guys, it is so freaking good. Once you get to like the end of the season, oh my gosh, your mind is just like poof, like, oh my god, it's fucking crazy. They should be sponsoring my ass right now because I'm putting y'all on. Trust me, that show is so good. Like, it's kind of weird. It gives off really weird vibes, but the ending, guys, I'm so excited for season 2. Oh my god. But yeah, so let me stop talking. Where am I? Okay, I'm actually gonna start on my eyes now, and I'm just going to use the contour palette, and I'm just going in with these 2 shades right here, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease. This contour palette is very versatile, as you can tell. You can use it on your face and your eyes as well. Does anyone else feel like when you put lashes on first, sometimes your eyeshadow just like turns out better? Or is that just me? I don't know. Obviously, if you're doing a cut crease, it's a little harder, but I mean, like, just doing something simple like a smoky kind of everyday kind of look, I feel like it looks so much better. And like, I don't know, that's why sometimes I think about getting lash extensions, but I feel like I would hate lash extensions. I've never gotten them done, but I feel like I would hate them just because I have worn lashes before, and I've done DIY eyelash extensions, and I tried going to bed in them and showering with them. Guys, I hated it so much. I was like constantly like feeling stuff on my eye, and like I just don't like that feeling. But I've never gotten my eyelashes professionally done, so maybe it's, you know, different when I do get them professionally done. But yeah, I was like, it's a no for me. So I'm thinking about changing my upload days. I usually just randomly upload whenever, but I think I'm going to change them to 2 days a week and go on like a set schedule. I'm not sure what days I want to do yet. Why the heck is my nose running this much? So now I'm going to go in with the Frankie Rose Cosmetics bronzer palette. There's 3 shades in here. It has a blush, bronzer, and a highlighter. I'm actually going to go in with the bronzer on my eyes just to deepen up the look a little more. This mirror is so clear, like in here. Oh my god, it's like better than my eyesight. So I'm going to finally be vlogging again for you guys this weekend, and I'm so excited. It's going to be such a fun vlog. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Guys, you know I have not vlogged in a fat minute because I don't go anywhere. I don't have anything exciting about my life that you guys really would want to watch. Like, trust me, nothing goes on in my life. But this weekend is my birthday trip. My birthday is this Thursday, I believe, March 4th. So I'm leaving on the 6th and I'm coming back on the 8th. I'm so freaking excited. This vlog is about to be litty titty. It's funny because I don't really like, I mean, I wouldn't say I don't care about my birthday, but I literally have like forgotten that my birthday is like this week. When my cousin gave me my birthday gifts last week, I was like,
why did you get me this?
And then I was like, oh yeah, it's my birthday. Duh. Not gonna lie, I just feel like I don't really care about my birthday until I turn 21, because, you know, that's when people start fucking taking you as an adult instead of a baby. But I don't know, because I'm the youngest in my family and I feel like they'll always see me as a baby. And I can just do my own shit. You know what I mean? I mean, 18 is when you like, you know, when you're actually like turn into an adult. But the most you can do is like get your license or vote. Like, nobody cares about that. I don't really, I mean, I wouldn't say I don't care about my 20th birthday, but bitch, when I turn 21, it's over. So now I'm gonna go in with the highlighter shade. This one is called Goddess, and I'm going to put that onto my eyelids. I did want to mention, oh my gosh, that's so pigmented. Do you guys see that on my eyelid? Miss girl. Okay, I was not expecting it to be that pigmented. Oh my gosh. Okay, Frankie Rose Cosmetics. I did want to mention that this bronzer palette has natural jojoba oil inside of it, so it leaves a very silky and soft finish look. Oh my god. Everything just applies like butter. I am going to go in with the blush, and this one is called Starburst. So I'm just, oh, it's really pigmented. So I'm just going to, oh my god, that is so pigmented. Guys, oh my god, look how glowy it is. I didn't use this yesterday when I went out. I should have. Oh my gosh, it just brings out the natural glow in my face. Do you guys see that? Guys, this blush is so pretty. I feel like a goddess. Like, it's just shining. Well, I'm gonna be honest, I don't really like shimmery blushes. I never did, but this one is really pretty. Look how natural. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna use some highlighter in the palette on top of that. Oh my gosh. I'm literally having like makeup orgasm right now. Do you guys see? Oh my goodness, guys. I'm literally just like dusting my brush into the pot too. This is so pigmented. Oh my goodness, guys. I just look wet. Like, my skin just looks wet. So I'm gonna go pop on my lashes really quick, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I just put my eyelashes on, and I did a little winged eyeliner. And I also touched up on my brows a bit because I feel like when I do my face makeup, a lot of powder and stuff gets over it, and they kind of like disappear a little. So I just touched up a little bit, and guys, when I say I'm obsessed with this brow pencil, like, I'm obsessed. It's so easy to use, and it's just so buttery and pigmented. I just love it. So now I think we can just move on to lips. I'm just going to set my face really quick. Guys, as I was listening to this song, I don't know if you guys know the song, but it's called Down For Me by Rose Grown, Shoreline, NT Swisha. I just found it, okay? Don't come for me. But it's freaking good. But listen to this one line. I think it's around this here. Oh, I just went right to it. That's funny. Okay, listen. If I got time, would you do it with me? Fuck no, I am not doing your time. You did what you did. Because you chose to rob a bank, I'm gonna spend that time with you. That was not the right lyric. That should have stayed in the draft. So I'm gonna be a little creative today. And I'm gonna take the bronzer palette, the brown. I'm gonna put that on my lip. Oh my god, look how shiny they are, guys. Say psych. Okay, maybe not the bronzer because the bronzer has a little shimmer to it. I'm gonna go in with the Pro Contour palette. That was a fail. Look at my lips. It looks like I just ate some fried chicken. I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade. And yes, this is more like what I wanted. Put that all over my lips. Period. Okay. And now I'm gonna go in with my liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade Bittersweet. This is also by Frankie Rose Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna dab that in the middle of my lips like that. It smells like, oh my god. It smells like Sunny D. Guys, I love Sunny D. I've been really liking the no under eye makeup look. I don't know. I feel like it just looks clean. Alright everyone, so that completes today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I just wanted to give a big thank you to Frankie Rose Cosmetics for sponsoring today's video. I am so in love with all of the products and I would definitely recommend you all to try them out yourself. If you're interested in purchasing any of their products or just checking them out, I will leave a discount code on the screen for you and in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!